In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the oil on your 2015 Toyota Sienna. Doing this yourself is simple and helps keep your minivan running smoothly while saving you money. First, park your Sienna on a flat surface and let the engine cool down. Open the hood and remove the oil filler cap to allow the oil to drain better. Then crawl under the van and find the oil drain plug at the bottom of the oil pan. Place a drain pan underneath, loosen the plug with a wrench, and let the old oil drain out completely. While it drains, locate the oil filter, usually near the engine block. Unscrew it by hand or with a filter wrench if it's tight. Before installing the new filter, rub a bit of fresh oil on the gasket to ensure a good seal. Once the oil is fully drained, tighten the drain plug securely. Pour in the recommended amount and type of oil for your 2015 Sienna. Start the engine and check for leaks around the drain plug and filter. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful car care tips. Thanks for watching.